Well, I just turned off the main road onto this dirt road. It's Bighorn Pass Road. Should be taking me down to Barker Dam. And the road is like a washboard. But anyhow, it's drivable. You could drive it with a rental car, no problem. It's flat. There's water up ahead here. Ooh, because it rained last night and they said the road may be flooded. So I have to take a wide berth on this big gigantic puddle. Ooh, yeah. Looks like a number of other cars had the same idea here. So I don't want to get stuck. Oh, slippery in there. Yeah. Uh-oh, somebody stopped down here. Alright, the camera got a little bit off there because there were some gigantic puddles there I had to navigate around. And here's where Joshua Tree is so far. The road looks pretty good up here, so gotta get back to driving. Well, bad news, folks. I had to make a U-turn. Came up to one section of road, there were some gigantic puddles and they looked like the whole width of the road. And you know, they might be 2 inches deep, they might be 10 inches deep. You know, and I said, I don't want to take a chance, you know, maybe I get stuck. I probably wouldn't. I probably would have got through it, no problem. But just to be on the safe side here, I'm going to just backtrack and go on the paved road. Thrill of victory and the agony of defeat.
The thrill of victory and the agony of defeat.
I know what it is, all right. Well, as I'm coming down the road, I don't know if you can see it on the video, but off to the right, up on the tops of those mountains, there's snow up there. Yeah, snow, all white stuff there. Like I said, it must have had a good rain here last night because on those dirt roads, so I tried to take lots of big puddles there, and like I said, I found snow in the shady spots on my trail this morning. So I gotta go right up here, I think. We're gonna do that Lost Horse Mine another day. We're gonna head toward Barker Dam now. All right. I'm gonna try the Barker Dam Nature Trail right about here. I'm gonna stay to the right, go up there, and see how much energy I have if I want to come back that way or come back the same way. But shouldn't get lost in the dam. There should be water up there because we had good rain and stuff. All right, let's go. Well, the trail gets a little wet up here from the rain, but still think I'll get steps here. Yeah, a lot of water here. Shadow Man is taking the steps here. All right. Oh yeah. More puddles, more steps. The dam should have a lot of water in it. Whoa, that was a big puddle there. Another big one I stepped in. Good thing I have thick soles on the shoes here. Still cool, but sun's out. Nice and bright. Ooh. This looks like I better turn the camera off for this. So we're navigating a lot of puddles along the road here, along the trail to Barker Dam. But not too bad. I had to roll my pants up a little bit. But yeah, it's not too bad here. Oh, we got little steps through the rocks. It's pretty neat. Pretty neat right here. Yeah. Oop. Watch where I'm walking here. Alright. Look at that little cactus growing out, a little piece of dirt right on the rock there. Alright. Okay. More rocks. More puddles. Now look at this rock up here. See that rock? Oh, you may not be able to see it in the sun, but in the shade, it's a smooth cut right off of there, like somebody cleaved it. And that might have been these pieces down here that broke as it fell off, and maybe we can't see the cleave side, but pretty neat. Hope they don't fall on me. All right, back on the trail here, going to Barker Dam. Okay, well, I see lots of water up ahead, so maybe that's where the dam is. We got a little sign here with an arrow saying we gotta go this way. And there's another little thing if you want to talk about the water birds. So, big rocks up here, more of these boulders. All right, still going here. There's a drive right here, as far as the trail goes, yeah. Okay, let's see here. All right, got people coming here. Okay, still on the trail. I have not reached the dam as far as I know yet, but got to go down through here and see what's here. Maybe it's up here. I hear people. Another sign. They're taking a picture there. All right. Well, apparently I made it to Barker Dam because there's the sign. Stop that, get a reflection off of it there. Maybe that's a little better. But there's the dam. So yeah, I have made it here. And I guess it's holding the water back on this side because that looks like the lake over there. So it's damming and holding the water back over here. But there's the lake. It does have water in it because we had rain. And part of the trail goes down there. I think that's the loop trail if you want to go around, which I might do. Feeling a little energetic here. So it's a little breezy right here on top of the rock here. My hands are getting cold, but there is Barker Dam. It's there. Barker Dam's right in back of me here. I don't know if you can see it back there, but I did make it up here. And it's sunny, it's cold, a little breezy right here. I still got the spongy thing on the GoPro to cut down the wind noise here, so my eyes are watering, so I got to get back on the trail. All right, bye-bye. Subscribe. Oh, there's the other side of the dam that you can see here. Pretty substantial thing, a lot of stones and rocks in the bottom and cement and concrete, like maybe they made it higher over the years and did a better job of it. But you can still see down here the water. It looks like, I don't know what that little thing might have been. Some catch basin or something. I don't know, but yeah, there it is. Take the loop trail here, I think. It goes down there somewhere. All right, there's the dam over there, taking the other route going back. Here's a nice vista here. You can see everything. Snow up in the mountains up there, way in the distance. See that? A little chilly here, a few clouds coming in, so it might get a little cooler. My hands are cold. I didn't bring my gloves here. I left them in the car. Oh well, let's get back on the trail. I gotta watch what I'm doing here. Okay. Well, still on the trail, not going back the same way. Like I said, I'm taking the loop and see where it takes me. I don't know, but there's the trail in back of me, and pretty wide trail here. It's nice and dry, pretty flat. Beautiful scenery, lots of rocks, Joshua trees, maybe the yuccas. I don't know if these are yuccas up here or not, but yeah, it's still chilly, and I don't have my hood up, but oh, there goes the sun. A little cloud coming in, a few clouds coming in here. So all right, let's get back on the trail. Oh, we got a big puddle right here, but I'm gonna try to lean over, talk about the Joshua tree, the tree of life. You can stop the vid to try to read that. It's about as close as I can get. But as I come back out here, there's the Joshua tree right there. Yeah, lots of them around here. That's why it's called Joshua Tree National Park. A plethora of Joshua trees and other things too here. But look at that, isn't that beautiful? Really nice. All right. Well, here's a sign. It's talking about the cheese bush, cheddar or Swiss. Smell the air. Well, I don't smell anything here. I don't know which bushes they're talking about. These guys here or over there. They look like they're all not in bloom yet, because normally you'd see all these flowers on it there, but don't see anything there. So have to wait till warmer weather, I guess. Here's another sign. Manzanita, little apples, and it blooms with tiny pink and white flowers. Well, we're into second day of spring or whatever, and this is the tree, and the blooms are here, because there you can see them. I don't know how close I can get, but there they are, pink and white. Mostly white right there, but pink on the branches. But there's a lot of them up there. Yeah, some more over here. That looks like the best example is the one right here. So I'll put it down, different angles here so you can see it. But big tree here. A little aroma coming out of it. Look at the bark. It's all, excuse me. Look at the bark. It's all kind of brown part splits, I guess, as it gets bigger. I don't know. Maybe that's a coating for the winter time, but yeah, pretty good sized bush here. All right, let's get back on the trail. Well, here's another arrow saying we're going the right way. And you know, when you get out of the wind with the sun on you, it's almost borderline toasty there. You could sit there, but look at all those rocks stacked up there and everything. The trail's going to go down into some natural steps. Look at that rock right there, kind of balanced on there, you know, without get a lever, I think could roll over, but it's staying there. It's not going anywhere. Oh yeah, there's the trail there. That's where I came in, up there where those people are walking. So I did do the big loop. I feel safe now that I'm back in the back to the parking lot here, but just taking a moment here to take everything in here. Look at this tree growing out here. Part of it's dead, and so it's still living here. Maybe critters live back in there and whatnot here. So, all right, gotta turn the camera off so I can navigate the steps here. Oh, we're almost back in the parking lot. You can see it up there. So that was the Barker Dam Trail, or the Barker Dam Loop. And I'll give you a little time check. Right now it's about 11:42. And should be the same time on the camera too, just to double check. Heading back to the car now.